So in this video, I'm going to show you simply how to draw a human eye in a very simple and easy way to understand so that everybody can grasp it. And it's two basic shapes that you need to worry about, and those are parentheses, yes, laying on their side. So you can do these two parentheses and how you widen them, lengthen them. You can do different shapes and how much you widen them and make them a wider or thinner is how you can draw the basics of every eye. You can round the top, round the bottom. It's really up to you how you want to do it, and just make yourself several different kinds. And then what you do is you come in and you can put in your pupils anywhere you want. Just a simple circle on each one. And finish those off, and then you just can finish the eye up and however you wish to do it. So then you can come in and finish by putting one side of the eye where the tear duct is and all that stuff on each one. And then you can basically come in and fill in more details by you can put in eyelashes by finishing the other side, or just finishing the side of the eye if you don't want to put in a whole bunch of eyelashes. Some of these we will, some of these we won't. And you'll be able to do that. Really simple. And lastly, you can go ahead and put in your eyebrow, and the eyebrows usually will start right above the tear duct and come around the top of the eye, like so. And that is a very simple way of drawing the human eye. And you can always put more detail in and as you wish. But just remember, simple parentheses. You can even get more extreme with them. Angle them maybe a little bit depending on what style you want to do. And this applies to anime, manga, traditional drawing. However you want to do it, you can make one top more round, the other kind of that, or you can make one real long. You can break it up however you want, and just sit there and doodle a whole bunch of these. And it'll help you no matter if you're drawing the eye from the side or straight on. It doesn't matter. It gets you, and it helps you with expressions too. So you can definitely get some really nice expressions. Yeah, so once you practice this quite a bit, then you can start doing two eyes, and soon you'll be drawing eyes like an expert in no time. So thank you for watching my video, and remember to subscribe, like, and share, and we'll see more tutorials on eyes. Thank you.